I hope you're doing great. So this is the feature we were discussing with our developers. So user can come and they can perform the swap of the token. And when they will perform the swap, you're going to receive the commission this much in your wallet address. So they can pick the token. So by default, it would be Sol and USDC, but they can simply click here and they can select any token if they have the balance, and they can simply come back here and they can pick the token which they want to swap. So if I show you my Phantom wallet, I'm connected to this particular account. So I'll click here and you will find that currently I have this much fund in my wallet. I have this much Sol, I have this much USDC, and I have this much USDT. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to perform from Sol to USDT, and I'm going to perform the transaction to show you. So what I will do, I'll come back to account number 3 in which I'm going to receive the commission when the user will perform the swap. So I'll simply come back here, come back to account number 2, and I'm going to give a quick reload. Let's give a quick reload. I got it. Now what I will do, I'll simply give my quantity. So I'll simply select. Let me show you my Phantom wallet and check. I'm going to perform the swap from Sol to USDT. So I'll simply come back here. I'll give my 001 because I don't want to spend much for swapping the token. You can see the conversion rate. 1 Sol is going to be equal to itna. And you will find the other details. This is my balance. I'll simply come back here and I'm going to select the token. It's going to be, let's say, USDT. And you will find that every single thing will change. The ratio, everything would be updated. I got it. Now I'll simply click on this swap token. It's going to perform the transaction and it's going to open this model. I'll click here and you will find that we are charging the commission first. So this fund will go to the recipient address. I'll simply click on this confirm and the transaction is completed. Now I can click here and we are performing the swap. So we are giving our this much Sol and we'll get this much USDT. I'll click on this confirm and the transaction in the process, and finally the transaction is completed and we have performed our swap. So just wait, we will have performed our swap successfully. Now you can come back to your Phantom wallet and you can able to see the fund you have. So we have got it and we have given one like 0.01 as a commission. The USDT we have received. Now what I will do, I'll simply come and give a quick reload and we'll come back to our recipient address, come back to account number 3, and you will find that in which we have received our commission. So every single thing is working fine. This is how user can perform the swap and you're going to receive the commission in your wallet address. Got it? I hope you have understood. So this is the minimum you can charge. If you go beyond like very small quantity, the transaction will not happen. This is the minimum you can charge, or you can go up to higher. So we are charging 0.01, but you can charge 0.1. You cannot go below this, otherwise the transaction will not complete and you will not receive the fund. So this is the feature we were discussing about. So just let me know. If you want, we can provide you this feature. I can also perform the swap very easily. If I want to perform from, let's say, I want to give my USDC and I want to get USDT, I can come back here, provide it up, and I can see how much quantity I have in the USDT. So I'll switch my account story. I'll click here and I will switch and give a quick reload. Let's give a quick reload. I'm connected with my account number 2 and I have the fund in this, and you can see I have this much USDC. So I'll give my USDC and I'm going to receive the USDT. So I'll come back here, click here, and I have to select the, let's say, USDC, and I'm going to swap from USDT. Now all I have to do is to simply give the quantity. So I'll simply go with 6. I'll give this much and I will get this much as an USDT. If I show you my wallet, you will see I have the exact one. So this will become 9 and this will become 0. I'll click on the swap and I'm going to charge the commission straight away. I'll click here, I'll charge it the commission, click on the confirm, and the transaction in the process. Let's click on it and let's click on the confirm, and you will find the transaction is completed successfully. If you come back here, open up your Phantom wallet, you will find that this went up to 9 and this went up to 0, and we have paid our commission as well. And you can come back to account number 3 and you will find that now it has 2. So this is the feature we were discussing about. So just let me know. If you want, we can include this feature, but it's going to cost you like 1000 USDC. So that's the thing you have to keep in mind. Still, we need to do a little bit optimization in the structure.